Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn Now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn how to configure our dashboard for mobile view in Power BI, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we learned how to check usage metric report in Power BI. If you have not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry. We have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. Today's video, where we'll be learning how to configure our dashboard for mobile view in Power BI services. Mobile view is important because it allows you to access your data and visualizations on the go, making it easy to stay up to date and make informed decisions no matter where you are. Nowadays, a lot of people are accessing information from their phones or tablets, so it's important that they be able to access your information in that way. So, let's get started. We need to be in our workspace in order to configure the dashboard for mobile, and we're going to open up the test dashboard. Once the test report is open, we're going to go to the Edit drop-down and we're going to click on the mobile layout and it changes the view. So it kind of looks like a cell phone there. And what you can do is from here, it has some of the tiles from the dashboard. It just picks ones that it thinks will fit in this mobile layout. If you wanted to unpin all of those tiles, you could from here. And if you do that, then you can reset them. Cards are good to put in a mobile layout. They don't take up too much space. To make sure your visualizations fit well on a smaller screen, you may need to rearrange or resize them. You can do this by selecting the visualization and using the Arrange and Size options to adjust its position and dimensions. Finally, test your dashboard on various mobile devices to make sure it looks good and functions properly. This will ensure that your dashboard is accessible to all users, regardless of the device they're using, and that's it. That's how you configure your dashboard for mobile view in Power BI services. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.